Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a DJI Nano that I got from Amazon. Super excited about this. I'm going to be using this in my car channel to be able to record driving footage, track footage, and also in just like walking around recording stuff when I'm going on a hike or when I'm like at a convention or show or something like that. Something that's kind of low profile, maybe put it on a hat or a helmet or something like that. So super excited. Let's unbox this. This is the 128 gigabyte version. So it's like $30 more. says it has 72% charge. I'm trying to figure out how to turn it on. There's not really a button besides the record button. Oh, guess that's it. Video. Photo. Slow-mo. Time lapse. Just try video for now. Put this at 24. And let's record. Never mind the mess in my office. How does it look? First time using it. Let's check out the accessories it comes with using the Nano. This is recording on the Nano. Can you guys hear me? Looks like it comes with a little case. Comes with like a hat clip, it looks like. Definitely gonna be using this. And it comes with a suction cup. Not sure how strong this is. Typically record stuff in the car, and when I had a GoPro, I had a 10 and I sold it recently. And I usually use that outside the car to record driving footage, or inside the car to record like me just talking to the audience. So this might come in handy inside the car. I'm not sure if I would trust this outside the car. I would probably use my actual like more heavy duty one that has held my GoPro. This also looks like some kind of magnet, I guess. So it does magnetize. You can see the magnet here. That's called like a necklace. So you can put this inside your shirt. Very useful. On one of my YouTube channels, I know I have way too many channels. On one of my YouTube channels, I cover comic book content and I walk around at conventions and stuff. So this would be perfect to use this if I'm flipping through comics, kind of have it low like on my shirt. Or I may, honestly, I may just use the hat clip more often. This may be too low. I'm not sure if I like that kind of that low. Maybe if I'm hiking, that would be good for like keeping it on my shirt. But if I'm in a crowd, I don't want it too low because it'll be blocked by people. And also, it's just not a good point of view if you're around a crowd and stuff. Let's try this out. So once you disconnect it, that's a pretty strong magnet too. And also, I guess you can put it this way too. So if you wanted to vlog a little bit, that's pretty cool. My biggest concern with this was that it's such a big form factor when it's attached to this thing. compared to like the Go 3S, which like it's about the same size, but it goes inside something. But this is a good form factor by itself like this. 128 gigabytes recording, I think, in here directly. So that's probably the most I need. I use a DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This one right here. And this one I have a 128 card. So it's actually like enough, it's plenty, and this doesn't have internal storage. So 128 just in this thing, I think will be plenty. And then I think you could put a card into this. Yeah, so you put a card right there. So I think you can't really put it in here. That would have been nice if it was able to be put in here. Like I wouldn't mind just even a little bit more thickness here, or maybe like at the top to accommodate the extra stuff, or maybe like the next iteration just make this like 256. But yeah, I think once you dock it on here, you can move the files from here to the SD card. So as long as you carry both of these, you should be able to do that. So I got my helmet here I'm gonna check out, but I also got this hat here. Let's see how this looks here. How does that look? Let's see if there's anything on this helmet that you could put it on. There's not really anywhere. It's not metal. I'd have to get like a stick on or something to put it like right here, but that's what that looks like as far as size. I'd have to get like a stick on thing for this. So basically, I think they have like a little case that has a stick on in the back, or maybe like an adapter that clips on at the bottom and goes to like one of those GoPro style mounts, and it'll stick out a little bit like this if it uses one of those GoPro mounts. But if I can get like a sticky, like a case with a sticky on it or something, I don't know, Velcro would be good. Only thing is too, my helmet does like kind of curve down, so I end up looking at my steering wheel the whole time. If I put it here, I can't really lift the visor. Yeah, because it'll be in the way. But we'll figure it out. I'm gonna figure out what to use on there. Overall, I think that's pretty cool, pretty small. It's like exactly what I want. And I think, so this has like the same sensor size as the DJI Action 5. I think it's, I'm not sure if it's the same sensor, but it's like the same size, 1/1.3. I was debating whether to get an Action 5 or Action 6. This pretty much with the sensor size is kind of like an Action 5. But I still wanted a small form factor, so I may still get like an Action 6 or GoPro 14 if they ever release it, because I still want something that I can just like put outside the car and last a long time. I don't know if this lasts as long as the Action 6. It says only up to 90 minutes of battery life, probably less at 4K. The Action 6 I think is a lot more than that. I think like 200 or 240 or something. It's powering down. That's what that beeping is. But that's the DJI Nano unboxing. Hope to have some videos using this pretty soon. This is kind of like my first vlog on this channel in a while. my main YouTube channel focuses on cars. I have another one focused on comic books. This was just kind of like, hey, I'm showing you guys what camera gear I have, showing you guys some vacation adventures. Hope to do more content on this channel in 2026. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.